Yan po ang mga guidelines, qualifications, amount of benefits, implementation, and then we have already the scholarship application din po. Naka-ready rin naman po yung aming application for attorney.
Si proponent, baka may dadagdag.
Well, unang-unang po, I think the project is worthy. So, maraming matutulungan. So, if we can implement it, mas maganda po.
Discussion, Mr. Chair.
Yes, please proceed.
Maraming mga barangay officials, no? Barangay Sacred Heart, meron nito, di po ba? Ayan. Kakapit ba, magkakasama lang tayo dito. Wala pa si Kapitana Castel, no? Di ba? Meron din siya ng ganyan, no? Pero yung budget na ginagamit nila is yung bang sa susunod o kaya before nila na-implement yun, nagawa na yung ordinansa bago nila sinama doon sa kanilang budget. O. Ngayon dito kasi sa iyo, Kapitana, may budget ka na pero wala ka pang ordinansa. Ngayon ka pa lang nagpapasa ng ordinansa. Kaya ang comment natin dito, advice natin dito is para hindi ho tayo magkakaproblema, idadalawang buwan na lang naman ang natitira sa 2024. And then kung hindi nyo naman magagamit ito, this will become part of the savings ng barangay. Then sa susunod po na barangay annual budget nyo, yung 100,000, pwede nyo na madagdagan yan. Depende sa availability of funds ninyo, di po ba? So marami ngayon ang makikinabang sa susunod na year, di po ba?
Okay po.
Ayan, okay, Kapitan. So I suggest, Kapitana, na palitan mo yung appropriation, no?
Okay.
That the amount shall be taken from the yung sinabi mo na and which shall be included in the year in the next calendar year of 2025 if it deems necessary to increase. Ayan, lagyan mo ng kulatilya para at least mahaba-haba yung yung iyong way para kung gusto mong dagdagan. Depende kasi yun no? Pero naglalagay ka ng kulatilya if it deems necessary na magdadagdag. Mangyari lang po dito, initial amount.
Okay.
Yan ang ilalagay. Then pag meron pa kayo after na karoon ng tinatawag na mga listahan, na meron pang mga kadagdagan, hindi ka na magko-confine na lang doon sa 10 or ilan, 100. Baka may madagdagan, pwede mo siyang dagdagan yung iyong appropriation mo.
Okay.
Okay, Kapitana?
Okay.
So,
thank you po.
Secretary na lang, Secretary? Yung dispositive portion, wag mo ulit-ulitin yung now therefore be it ordained na sinabi ko na sa iyo to, di ba? Ayan. Tapos yung tanggalin mong following. Ba't may following ka? Wala naman nagpa-follow sa iyo. Di ba? Sec? Nakita mong following? Sa dispositive portion, madam. In session assembled. Sa unahan. Sabi ko na nga ba meron ka bang followers? Tanggalin nyo yung the following, Okay?
Okay po, attorney. Thank you po.
Tinuro ko na sa iyo yun Okay. Tapos saan na ba yun? So, take note, Kapitana, okay na yung appropriation,
Okay.
Gusto mo bang ilalagyan ko ng baguhin ko? Gusto nyo? Magno-note ba yung secretary? An initial amount of 100 shall be appropriated to be taken from the scholarship grant program, which shall be included in the barangay annual budget for calendar year 2025.
Seko, sa mga tingin na attorney sa'yo.
Nakakuha mo ba? Mabilis.
Wala daw attorney ko.
Okay? Then we shall be included in the barangay annual budget for calendar year of fiscal year 2025. Oh, kung gusto nyong dagdagan, which may be increase, oh, if it deems necessary, mga ganon. Diba? Okay po.
Okay po, Attorney.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Tapos, Section 8. Section 8. Uy, kasi ni-istorbo nyo yung secretary. Section 8, anong nakalagay? Oh, this ordinance shall take effect in the school year 2024. Hindi. This ordinance shall take effect immediately upon approval confirmation by the Quezon City Council. Oh. Nakita tuloy. Ha? Tapos enacted. Ba't nakahiwalay yung by the barangay Sikatuna? Enacted the 6th day of August 2024 in barangay, binaligtad mo ha? Inayos natin kasi baka may gagaya na ibang mga barangay ito, at least naging model ito. Oh. Okay po, Sek. Sa susunod baka may pag nakita, ganun na naman nilibigyan ng certification ni Juan pagka mali yung okay? Then recommendation ko na. Mr. Chair, paano ka pa? I move that we conditionally approve Ordinance number 2, Series of 2024 of Barangay Sikatuna Village subject to the submission of the corrected version as suggested by this committee.
There's a motion for the conditional approval of Barangay Ordinance number 02, Series of 2024, Barangay Sikatuna Village. Duly seconded. Said Barangay Ordinance is hereby conditionally approved subject to the submission of the amended version as suggested by the committee. Next, resolution number 81.
Parang hindi masaya si Kapitana.
After we receive 7 awards from last month Barangay Days.
Ay, congratulations mga barangay sa nakatanggap. Nakakaingit naman, 350,000 yun. Secretary baka naman mali na. Okay, next item.
Next, resolution number 81, series of 2024. A resolution adopting ordinance number 5, series of 2016, dated September 5, 2016, entitled an ordinance setting for disciplinary hours in Barangay Sikatuna Village, Quezon City, for minors from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. and providing penalties for parents, guardians for violations thereof and for other purposes. Punong Barangay Cruz, please.
Yes po. The said ordinance expired na po kasi. So since we are the new administration, so we adopt the ordinance for the disciplinary hours po assigned by the new council of Barangay Sikatuna Village.
Baka yung proponent merong pang sasabihin. Kayo proponent nito
Well, basically po, we want to protect the welfare of our children. So, hindi naman, marami may parang sort of informal centers din po doon. So, marami minsan naglalaro. So, I think this one will, once approved, we can orient the residents and street organizations para po mas maganda protection ng mga bata.
May tanong lang ako, Kagaw at Kapitana, for the information of the other barangay officials. When you say adopting ordinance, you're adopting the city ordinance. Yung kabuuan po, Kapitana, di ba, Kagawad? Yung kabuuan ng ordinansa, di po ba?
Barangay ordinance po, dated 2016.
Dati nilang barangay ordinance.
May pinasa po ang previous council ng 2016, dated 2016. So ito po yung council ng 2030 to 2016.
Sige, okay.
So,
Sorry naman, tao lang. Okay.
Okay po.
Kapitana at saka Kagawad, ordinansa ito, naaprubahan ba ito? Okay. So ito na yun ha. Bakit kailangan gumawa pa ng resolution to adopt? Bakit po? Baka meron kayong ibig sabihin doon. Sige. Sige. Ipaglalaban natin.
Because the barangay ordinance approved, created 2016. So now is 2024, and then we have a new barangay council, and part of the good seal criteria, no, from the city should we have a new mga resolutions and ordinance signed by the new council. But the content of the barangay ordinance is the same, because sanay na ang mga residente namin, even the minors, na pagdating ng 10 o'clock talaga, wala po talaga bata sa labas namin. So basically that's the...
Okay. We will talk muna, Kapitana Kagawad, doon sa effect ng ordinansa. Alam po, yung ordinansa, batas yun eh. Maski nung bata pa ako, pag may ordinansa na yan, hanggat hindi binago po yan, mananatiling ordinansa po yan. Kaya pag gumawa ka ng resolution adopting, there's no need for you to make a resolution adopting because you can implement that already unless na babaguhin mo siya. Kagaya po ng city ordinance. Ang dami na po yung mga ordinansa mula pa ng panahon ni Amoranto, munahon pa ni Juan. Kung hindi po siya naamindahan, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang pag-implement. Kaya there's no need for a resolution adopting when in fact, that is your ordinance eh. I-implement mo lang, tuloy-tuloy na po yun, Kapitana. Okay po, sige agad, parang may sasabihin.
Ibig sabihin po, attorney, walang expiration yung resolution namin ng 2016.
Wala po. Pasensya na po kayo kasi bago rin sila eh. No? Kaya kailangan talaga natin silang i-seminar. No? Hindi po nag-expire ang ordinansa batas po. Lalo na yan sa city natin. Gagawin natin example yung city ordinance. Hindi po siya nag-expire. Ang kailangan lang po doon, kung hindi niya gusto, amindahan nyo. Gumawa kayo ng ordinansa, amending, ordinance ganito, ganyan. So, for this, Kagawad, hindi na kailangan na gumawa ng resolution to adopt your own ordinance. Okay pa? Marami talaga tayong matutunan dito.
Attorney, with your indulgence, one of the reasons why we adopt this one is a requirement for the seal of good housekeeping. So we just conform to the instruction of the IMs and BCRB.
Yun ba sinabi ng DLG, magpasa ng isang resolution to adopt your own ordinance which has been approved already? Parang hindi yata ako doon.
It's not naman po, as you said, that's the law. So we cannot, if it's the ordinance, then we will implement naman continuously.
Yun, oo.
So I think there is a miscommunication about it. So since there is a suggestion and advice, so we will, we understand and we thank you for it.
Kasi nga, Kapitan, baka mami ang ibang mga barangay gagayahin nito, may ordinansa na sila, tapos i-adapt pa rin nila to implement. Hindi na po, ha? Okay, that's the one ngayon, ha? So, ito, i-return sa inyo,
sige.
ha, Kapitana?
Okay po.
Okay, so, with the conformity of the...
Pwede po magtanong. Paano po, sa city?
From Barangay Rodriguez po, ha?
Paano po pagka city ordinance na siya? Or i-a-adapt namin siya, pero meron lang certain section lang. I-a-amend lang siya.
Sasagutin ko na. Sini-chair ko ba sasagot ako? Ako na. Very good question po. When you are going to implement the city ordinance, ang gagawin nyo lang po, an resolution implementing Quezon City Ordinance number, ganyan, because alam nyo po, sa local government code po, nandun na po yung trabaho ng punong barangay to implement all laws, city ordinances, and national laws. Yun ang trabaho ng barangay captain po, di po ba? So, why is there a need? Kung halimbawa, mag-a-adapt ho kayo, adoption at saka implementation is two different thing po, no? Pag nag-adapt ho kayo, Mangyari po, pati penalties ng sa city ordinance, ina-adapt nyo po. Di po ba? So what you're going to do is just to pass a resolution for purposes ng local legislation para magkaroon ng best in legislation. No? Come up with a resolution implementing Quezon City Ordinance ganito. Kasi talaga naman trabaho ng barangay yan to implement city ordinances. O, di po ba? Nasagot ko po.
Yes po.
Ayan. Are you satisfied with my answer? Okay. Okay. Marami tayong matutunan po dito talaga. Oo.
Fishing ordinances
Oh.
na applicable to the barangay.
Ayan. Sige. Nasaan ba tayo? Balik
We are
ba?
discussing the resolution.
Mr. Chair, I move that we return resolution number 81 series of 2024 barangay Sikatono Village with the conformity of the punong barangay and the kagawad.
Second.
There's a motion to return resolution number 81 series of 2024 of Barangay Sikatuna Village to the barangay of origin with the conformity of the punong barangay in the Kagawad. Duly seconded, said barangay resolution is hereby returned to the barangay of origin. Next, resolution number 82 series of 2024, a resolution requesting the office of the city mayor, Honorable Maria Josefina G. Belmonte, to provide funds for the repair of Sikatuna Village Barangay Hall. Kapitana Cruz, please.
Yes po. We would like to withdraw this one because when we had a courtesy call with Mayor Joy last month, so nandun po ang engineering office. So ngayon po ginagawa na po ang repair sa barangay hall under the city engineering department po.
Mr. Chair, upon the request of the punong barangay, I move that we return this resolution number 82 series of 20 barangay Sikatuna Village.
Second.
There's a motion to return resolution number 82 series of 2024 of Barangay Sikatuna Village to the barangay of origin upon the request of the barangay. Duly seconded, said barangay resolution is hereby returned to the barangay of origin. Next, resolution number 83 series of 2024, a resolution creating a team to accredit technicians and skilled workers who are residents of Barangay Sikatuna Village, Quezon City. Punong Barangay Cruz, please.
Yes, attorney, for your final comment. So we have here the skilled worker accreditation form for your final comments. So
Okay.
is it approved? Kasi bumalik na po siya sa amin. So binalik na naman po namin dito sa inyo.
Ito na-discuss na ba natin ito dati?
Yes po, attorney.
Ano bang
Ang suggestion niyo po is to create a team, no? To create a team.
pero is it a through resolution or an ordinance?
It's a resolution po.
Resolution. Kasi po yung inyong resolution in the form of an ordinance.
Wala po kami.
Pagagalitan nyo na naman yung barangay secretary. Tingnan nyo po yung format ng inyong resolution. Kaya natanong ko, is it ordinance or resolution?
Naglagay lang po ng details sa attorney. Objective. Pero gusto niyo po bang patanggal?
Secretary, anong nangyari dito?
Kasi before po, attorney, ordinance po talaga yung proposal namin. Tapos na po siya,
Na ano?
na-defer po. Tapos
Na-defer. Hindi siya na-disapprove. Hindi siya na-return. Na-defer lang.
mag-create na lang muna ng team para mag-affect kami ng
Okay. Wala naman akong problema roon eh. Ang problema ko yung form mo. Paano ba nangyari dito? Ha? Wala kang dispositive portion. Oh, ano ba nangyari? Oh, saan dito? Saan po?
after the mechanics po, attorney.
Ayun. Nakita ko nga. Pero ang dispositive portion after the preamble, after the explanatory notes. Bakit napunta siya sa dulo? Tapos pumasok yung section 1, 2, 3, 4 mo. Di ba? Oh, nag-section 1 na isang barangay siya approve resolution ito sa pagkagawa. Tapos nag-section 1 ka na. Walang yung dispositive portion mo nasa huli. Ala, di ba nga ang dami niyo nang ginagawang resolution na. Bakit nagkaganito to? Oh, Kapitana.
Baguhin po namin ulit. Upuan na natin. So we're asking. Iyan
Oo.
lang po namin.
Kapitana, may pirma ba yung resolution? May pirma ka dyan?
Wala.
Yung aming kopya, wala rin pirma eh. Paano kaya?
Ako nang alang-alang po yung sekretary.
Yun.
Attorney, pasensya na.
Kaya nga, pumayat na yung sekretary niya eh. Tabayan dati eh. So, palagay ko dito, Kapitana, i-defer muna natin to. Ayusin lang muna.
Sige po, sige.
Ha? Tapos, pagdating doon sa opisina niyo, pagalitan niyo yung sekretary niya. Hindi, joke lang po ha. Okay po, that Mr. Chair, with the conformity of the punong barangay, I move that we defer consideration
Series of
of
2024 of
resolution.
Barangay Sikatuna Village. Yes. Upon the conformity of the punong barangay, duly seconded, said barangay resolution is hereby deferred consideration.
Madadagdagan yung award nyo. Nadami nyo ngayong resolution sa ka-ordinansa. Tinalo nyo yung barangay Sacred Heart.
Last for Barangay Sikatuna, resolution number 84, series of 2024, a resolution creating the Barangay Sikatuna Village logo to be known as the official logo of Barangay Sikatuna Village. Punong Barangay Cruz. Kagawad Reynaldo Cruz, please. Yes.
Good morning po, Attorney. This resolution emanates from our desire to have an official logo for Barangay Sikatuna. So, we did not put it as an ordinance. Basically, we don't want to have some penalties at this point. And we have indicated the reasons or the descriptions of its symbol and colors dun sa logo. Yun po.
Okay na po, kagawad.
Opo, yun po ang basic nito.
Sino kakastiguhin ko dito? Secretary? Secretary, nakita mo na naman yung mali mo. Kaya ko na magsabi. Ha? Uulit na naman tayo. Ano ba mali sa'yo? Sa gawa mo? Okay. So, ato format, kagawad, yung sinasabi nyo, ayun yung magkaroon ng penalties. Okay. When you're creating na, yung logo na yun, naka-seal, sinabi nyo official. So, how can it be official kung resolution ang ginagawa nyo? Ang city nga, gumagawa ng seal, may logo, through an ordinance, tapos sa barangay, resolution. Kasi the reason why you are required to come up with an ordinance in order to avoid the unauthorized use ng inyong barangay seal. Gusto niyo ba yung tricycle driver gagawa noon, lalagay nila doon sa kanila yon? Oh, di ba ba? Kaya I am now advising all the barangays present, if you want to come up with a official seal or logo, make it an ordinance para meron pong penalties, no? Para kung sino may gumagamit roon na unauthorized, pwede nyo silang hapulin. O, di ba ba?
Attorney, can I have some comments?
Sige po.
When we presented this one, it was in the form of ordinance. So during the discussion, there was an existing logo for Barangay Sikatuna. So unfortunately, it was created without any document. So since yun, walang document na nagagawa o ginagamit for so many years. So gusto lang po namin improve and in the form of resolution. So initially nga po, ang objective namin is have it as much better kasi nga may document na approved by the barangay council.
So, mangyari po do kagawad, official eh. So, maging official yon, gawin mong batas. Ha? Tapos, yung sinasabi nyo na walang dokumento yung paggawa yung logo na yon, anong ginawa ng mga previous administration? Wala silang so we will not talk about the previous administration now, considering na nandiyan na naman kayo, mga bago kayo, come up with an ordinance na ito yung official seal na hindi na pwedeng baguhin ng susunod unless na magkaroon ng amendment doon sa ordinansa. So you will from you hanggang sino yung papalit, they will be using that, no? Ano kagawad? So, balik namin to, ha? Ganon talaga, pag-umpisa pag mga bago. I'm willing naman magturo. Ano, ha? Kaya do not be offended kung halimbawa may sa aming ginagawang suggestion, comment, because that is for the barangay. Okay po? Okay. Wala akong wisdom, eh. Okay. Oh, maganda nga, eh. At least naman na consult nyo yung inyong mga constituents diyan.
Sir, kasi pwede bang isabay po namin yung public hearing ng
Barangay assembly?
Hindi po.
Tapos na ba kayo barangay assembly?
Iba po.
O di pwede nyo nang pag-usapan ito doon.
Doon sa assembly namin.
Oo.
Pati sa mga iba kong resolution.
Para
Parang libre, no? Sir, pwede ba yung isara ko rin sir yung mga resolution kung nakapending?
Kaya nga, saan po? Doon sa consultation.
Opo.
Kung mayroong kailangan consultation, then you have to present that doon sa inyong ulat. Dahil ito yung mga proposal din na resolution nakapending which will affect the ganun po.
Yun dito sir, pwede namin isabay yun sa General Assembly.
Yes. When in fact, yan yung mga susunod mga gawain ng kasanggunang barangay eh, na ito yung mga
Isabay ko rin sir yung mga resolution ko nakapending na ordinance ko sir na ng mga hams and sila. Sir, basya kayo sa amin na sa General Assembly.
ang layo-layo ng Sikatuna Village ay Mr. Chair, with the conformity of the Punong Barangay and the barangay officials, I move that we return resolution number 84 series of 2024 of Barangay Sikatuna Village.
Thank you so much po, Tony.
There's a motion to return resolution number 84 series of 2024 of Barangay Sikatuna Village at the Barangay of Origin with the conformity of the barangay. Duly seconded. Said resolution is hereby returned to the Barangay of Origin. Thank you,
Kapitana,
Barangay Sikatuna.
alam mo, napakaganda yung kanilang logo. Ito yung requirements. Kaya pag ilagay sa ordinansa, Kapitana, kasi ito may representation. Ano ba? What represent?